In the fall of 2025, we took a variety of trips around the western U.S. in only a 3-week span, hitting up Northern California, Colorado, Wyoming, and Utah. Let's check it out. The first order of business was the California State Capitol.
What started out as a bucket list goal for Mark has actually captured my attention too and has become a family endeavor. It was super cool to visit when Congress was in session and to see the inner workings in real time.
Next up was a stop in Napa to check out some PGA Tour golf action.
Napa is close to my heart because I have family ties there, and recently some of our best friends moved to the area as well. Obviously, wine. We found Preston to be kid-friendly and delicious enough to join their wine club.
No time to settle down. As soon as we were home from California, it was time to head to Colorado for a few days.
It always makes my heart happy to come home to Colorado, and we added a little extra nostalgia this time by taking Ben to Fort Collins, my old college town, and one of my absolute favorite places, Estes Park and Rocky Mountain National Park. The saltwater taffy shop and the elk are part of my core childhood memories.
spent a day with friends in Fort Collins, including a fun visit to the Museum of Discovery. From there, we opted to hit up yet another state capital, with Wyoming just a short drive away.
Benny made himself right at home with my soul sister and family and his cousins in Boulder. Auntie Yo-Yo's house is so much fun. Our time in Denver this trip was short, but we added to our marathon of state capitals and got to see even more friends for a night. We had a very short turnaround time before heading to Utah for my cousin's wedding celebration in the beautiful fall colors of the Uintas. Lucky for us, the first snow of the year rolled in that weekend. Although it changed the party plans and chased us indoors, it was absolutely breathtaking. It was Benny's first experience with snow and also about my fill of snow for the year, so check that off the list. It was a pretty ambitious run of trips for us, but it left our hearts and memory banks full of precious time with family. So thanks for coming out west with us.